These are the steps in doing a one-sample t-test in Google Sheets. The data in column E is composed of 10 observations. The null hypothesis states that the population mean of the data is 5, and the alternative is that it is less than 5. The directional nature of the alternative hypothesis makes this a one-tailed, left-tailed test. We first get the mean, the standard deviation, and the sample size. You can see the formula on the right-hand side. Next, we compute the degrees of freedom by subtracting 1 from the sample size. We then indicate the significance level alpha of 0.05. Then the t-statistics is calculated by using the formula shown. The p-value is obtained by using the built-in function in Google Sheets. This will enable us to get an accurate p-value. Since the p-value is less than the significance level alpha of 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. There is sufficient evidence to support the claim that the mean is less than 5. Thank you for watching.